Hi, it's Brad Young, installation expert with Krono USA. I'm here in our Atlanta office to talk about the toolkit that you'll need to do a laminate flooring installation. You can see here, you can probably do it out of this tool bag. This is the tool bag that I carry around North America. And out of everything we're going to take a look at here, this is the most important tool that we can offer. It's the installation instructions. They're also available online, but it is inside of your box. This makes a terrific dustpan, but if you could read and follow these installation instructions, you'll be a lot better off with your installation. Safety is one of the things we want to emphasize throughout use of any tools during your installation. Safety glasses, a dust mask to prevent inhaling any wood dust that you generate when you're cutting the product. As you generate dust, we'll want to keep that clean. Locking systems are milled to microns of tolerance, fractions of centimeters, that could affect the planks going together. Keeping them clean is very important. Also, for personal protection, you want to wear some knee pads. You're going to spend a lot of time down on the floor, and believe me, I can speak from experience, these make a huge difference the next day. Okay? You'll be measuring the room, you'll be taking a lot of measurements. A good tape measure, several pencils. I leave some at the saw. I keep some in my pocket. So several pencils help you, because you'll spend a lot of time looking for pencils if you don't have several on the job. Spacers are used as a system to maintain an expansion gap around any vertical fixed object between the edge of the plank and that vertical fixed object. You may need to check your subfloor for level. A nice level helps with that before installing the floor. And if you have to, you may have to actually adhere some floor patch or floor leveler and smooth it out so that your floating floor has a nice smooth subfloor to float over. Some of our blocking systems require a tapping block. Some do not. That's why the installation instructions, as I've already emphasized, is one of the most important tools you can use to identify which locking system you have and whether you'll need to use a tapping block and pull bar and hammer or not. All the planks will need to be cut. We recommend a very high tooth count saw blade. Again, wear your safety glasses and your mask. A scroll saw or jigsaw might be helpful to scribe the unevenness out of a starting wall, or to make a key cut that slides under a door. The door jamb saw cuts the bottom of the door casing off so the floor can slide underneath. This is the profile of a molding once it's been cut off of the door, underneath the door jamb. This dustless cutter can cut planks to length for you without generating any dust. If the weather's inclement, or if you're in a vertical density situation, a high rise, where you can't run the saw on the building there. Speed square is a great tool. It just is about the width of the plank, so it allows you to mark your planks to cut to length. A box cutter to open the boxes. You may have seen a previous video where we actually use this mini trim planer from Stanley to compromise the locking system when we have to install in limited clearance. The sharp chisel will do the same. In previous videos you've seen us use glue. We definitely recommend one with a flow control top. Miter box to miter moldings. Silicone. Anywhere the floor ends in a potential topical moisture area in front of an exterior door, you may want to put a bead of 100% mildew-resistant silicone in the expansion gap to give the plank some extra protection from that topical moisture environment. A repair pen, just in case there's any little nicks or scratches during installation. A laminate floor cleaning kit, including a microfiber mop and laminate floor cleaner. Of course, you'll need underlayment. This will be featured in another video, but you see there's a wide variety of underlayments available. Don't forget, if you're on a concrete subfloor, you need 6mm plastic vapor barrier. Although some of these offer an additional vapor barrier, I always recommend the 6mm on concrete. And you'll also be using several transition pieces. This quarter round will cover the expansion gap that you have to leave around any fixed vertical surface. With this simple set of tools, you should be able to successfully complete your laminate flooring installation. Thank you.